Hey there, we're Acadian Adventures, a cruising channel trying to begin our trip around the world for the past 3 years. We've hit a few roadblocks along the way, including a Cat 5 hurricane and now a global pandemic. But we don't give up. With borders closed and the boat finally ready to go, for this season, we're doing the next best thing, cruising the US East Coast. So relax, grab a drink, and come along with us. Support videos you enjoy by clicking the like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing.
Thumbs up and subscribe!
Last time on Acadian, we enjoyed some downtime in the Solomons and then sailed across to the east coast of the Chesapeake Bay. This episode, we anchor in the Miles River, just outside the historic town of St. Michael's.
Crazy weather just slammed into us. Luckily we had time to prepare for it, but holy crap, that's pretty intense. Crazy. .33 was the top wind speed. Sustained about 29, the high 20s. Man, look at that front system, dude. That's just ominous. Good Lord, look at that thing.
So today we have a few things to get done. First thing we're going to do, we're going to storm tie our main. After that storm that came through yesterday, we decided that'd probably be a good idea. We are going to re-anchor a little closer to shore, hopefully get a little bit more protection from these wakes. There's a big channel right next to us. Big sport fishers keep passing by and making the boat rock.
Right now, Holly and I are in St. Michael's, Maryland. It's a really awesome little town. We got lucky and we scored a spot, an anchorage really close to the town. We're like the only boat in this anchorage. There's a whole bunch of boats. There's a whole bunch of boats out further where we were earlier in the week. The town is pretty sweet. All kinds of shops, a maritime museum, some really good restaurants. There's a little main street with all kinds of little boutique shops on it. So we're gonna go exploring today. What you think?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Hope the museum's open. We never know what's open with the COVID stuff.
I think it is. I saw him taking one of the boats out this morning. Yeah, so it looks like it is open. So yeah, let's go find out.
First I gotta find my shoes. Have you seen my shoes?
They're right here.
Oh, nice. Can you hand them to me?
Your flip-flops.
What else we gotta do?
Go. All we gotta do is go. I'm ready. Got all my shoes on. I do not have my wallet. We should lock up though. Should definitely lock up.
Alright, I got your wallet.
Okay. We'll leave the side hatches open.
Okay.
It's 20% chance of rain today, so it's not too bad. We've been doing some video editing, so we got the laptops out. So we're
in case of pop-up shower, I don't want it to be raining.
okay. We'll close these two then. Leave those two open. Okay. All right. So power is at 62%. That's not too bad. We should be putting some solar in right now. Yeah, we're putting in 8 amps. Trying to figure out how we're gonna get on this dinghy. Everybody at home is thinking, oh.
There it goes. Doesn't sound too good though. I'm stepping over a jellyfish infested river. Okay?
Come on. Good Lord, woman.
That's not going anywhere. Whoa.
We ended up spending just over a week in St. Michael's, and we took some time to learn about the history by visiting the Maritime Museum.
1899.
I don't know if this is the real ledger. It can't be. Why not? That might be. It's real thick. Yeah, so these are all the different lighthouses. We've seen some of these coming through when we came up through the bay. None of the wooden ones, though. Like this one would likely still be there. The brick ones.
Pretty cool.
And this is a map of where all the lighthouses were located. So they set this place up to be as historically representative of the original. Oh, wow.
Like even 2 miles offshore, the mosquitoes ate you up.
Yeah,
true story.
I bet. Yeah, we've experienced that one.
Like they had a tender holly that would deliver medicines here.
Nice. 2 ounces of peppermint, 2 ounces of ginger, and 25 3-gram quarantine pills.
Quinine.
Oh, quinine pills, yeah. Oh, that's the stuff that cures coronavirus. What?
Yep.
This place builds historic ships. It's really cool. Check this out. So this would have been a boat that would be reminiscent of, you know, the 1800s. Boats that would have sailed through the bay in that time. And here's another one right here. Really cool boats, man.
They're building one over there.
And then here's one under construction over here. Right there, under this shed. After enjoying some time on land, we're ready for a night at a remote anchorage before we head to Annapolis to explore the major cities around that area. What'd you think about St. Michael's, Holly?
I loved St. Michael's. It was really cool.
What'd you like about it?
I love how you can just like anchor real close to the city and you can dinghy in. It's like right there. I love cities that are like real walkable. You can walk to everything. So it was really fun to do that. Try to do some day sailing today, which sounds fun.
Yeah.
I don't know how much wind we're gonna have. But...
Well, I mean, we got some boats out there moving. I mean, they're sailing. So we'll be able to sail. We pick up anchor and leave the harbor of St. Michael's. We have to motor the 10 plus nautical miles to the Wye River due to a lack of wind, where we enjoy hundreds of stingrays and another failed attempt at catching crabs. What do you think we're gonna have?
0. I'm not optimistic.
I'm gonna be optimistic and say 2.
No crabs. You have the face of a crabless man. We gotta at least catch a fish to make our licenses worth it. Chicken curry it is.
The next morning we weigh anchor and head for Annapolis, where we have a marina slip booked so that we can take advantage of the easy access to food, water, and laundry, as well as being able to explore Annapolis, Baltimore, and DC without having to worry about the boat. There you go. It's hot. We had a very nice calm evening. I have to say the Chesapeake Bay had some really nice anchorages. Yeah, really nice and comfortable conditions last night. Kind of crisp air too, like not very humid. Not as humid last night. So that's good. We hope we get more of that.
So we're seeing all these birds everywhere fishing. So Derek decided to join them.
Yeah.
The birds are having better luck though.
Yeah, you see a bunch of fish hitting on the surface too, all around us. Not right here. Well, earlier we saw a bunch of them hitting on the surface. So we're trying. I had a few hits, and I had something hooked and he got off.
And you caught a little small one, but he was too small to keep.
Little striped bass is what they are. Little striped bass.
I don't think I've ever eaten a striped bass. Hope we catch one.
You have to be big. You have to be like 28 inches or something.
28, yeah.
Later that afternoon, we arrive at the Annapolis Yacht Basin Marina, squeeze into our slip, where we plan to spend the next 7 days. Join us next Friday to check out Annapolis, the sailing capital of the United States.
you a green dress, but not a real green dress, that's cruel. If I had $1 million, if I had $1 million, I'd buy you a big car.